Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add Trustpilot reviews to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, install an application that is going to be importing reviews from different sites, like for example Trustpilot, or you can simply search for Trustpilot if they have official app in here as well. So let me just try doing that. Just wait for a couple of seconds until it shows up. So you can see we have different reviews, and this is going to be used to import reviews. We have various other options as well. So I have already installed an application. Let me head back to my admin panel. You can see if I head over to my apps, we have easy Amazon reviews importer. You can do similar for Trustpilot as well, and once you apparently use the application, you will have some reviews onto your online store. Let me show you how it is going to be looking. So just wait, and it is loading up. Simply visit the product, and if I scroll down, you can see we should be able to see our products, our reviews. You can see everything is showing up in here. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.